Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing this dashboard cell phone mount from Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. Okay, so your mounting kit will come with everything that you need to install it. Basically a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver, a hex key, and the mounting screws. So the first thing that I do is install the mounting arm onto the base, the 20 millimeter ball. So you just, all you're going to do there is unloosen that or loosen that up big enough for it to fit around the ball. And then I'm just going to tighten that up around it like that. Just enough to keep it from flopping around while I'm trying to do everything else. And then each connection to the arm is going to be the same. So the base works the same, and the top part works the same way. I've got the dual mount, the dual cell phone mount on mine that comes in different configurations. So essentially, like that is what you're going to do. And you're going to do that on both sides. Once I get those the mounting arms on the base and the tops, then I can go ahead and install it in the truck. Okay, so now that we're out in the truck, first thing I'm going to do is take out this little rubber padding that's at the bottom. I'll just put that aside in case I want it later. And then I'm going to remove the two screws here that that support this tray and other things. And I'm going to use instead the screws that come in the packaging that compensate for the width of the base. And so that won't be a problem. Once I've got the tape removed, where the gray is there, I'll take the cover off the tape so that it'll be sticky. And I'm going to take the whole base with the loop part in the back there and just slide it down into the holes where the screws are. And then I'm going to push it down in the front, and you'll see that the sticky tape actually holds it right there in place. Next, I'm going to take these screws that go with it and drop them down into the holes, and that just takes a little finessing it around there, and then you screw those into place. Now you'll do that on both sides, which I won't bore you with. You get the idea. And then the last thing, there's a hole in the front in case you want to use a self-tapping screw just as extra stability. And I do a lot of off-roading and stuff, so I went ahead and I installed that one as well. Once you're done with that, you can make all the adjustments you need to with the arms and everything, and the 360 degree rotation, and just set it how you want it. I would have to tighten it up a little bit, but you get the idea. Once they're, let me go ahead and screw everything down and we'll take a look. All right, so we've got both the screws in the back and the self-tapping screw up front, and this thing is so sturdy. I've got mine configured one vertically. You just slide that phone in there, just single-handed. It's so easy, and it's not going anywhere. And then I've got the other one oriented so that I can use it for GPS or whatever, but they rotate 360, and so you can do how configure it however you like. This is just what I've got. That's all there is to it. Easy as pie. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.